If you have an IRA, especially if you rolled over an old 401k, you could be making one of the most common and costly retirement mistakes. You think you're investing, but your money is just sitting on the sidelines, losing out on critical growth and losing value to inflation. This is what Vanguard called the IRA cash drag. So I was reading this article here on the Vanguard website today and I was astonished. So I thought I wanted to make a video on it. So here's what's happening. An IRA or individual retirement account, it is just a special container with huge tax advantages. So a lot of people will refer to it as a bucket. It's basically just a place where you put your money. The moment you put the money in, that's a contribution, right? But the cash, until you invest it, the cash is just sitting there. So this is where this is a step that a lot of people are missing, buying the investment inside of the IRA. So this research here is calling this the $1 billion blind stop. And the person who wrote it, Andy Reid, he's the head of investor behavior research at Vanguard. I'm quoting him. He's saying, many IRA holders want to invest their retirement savings in the stock market and think that they're investing following a rollover. But in reality, they're sitting in money market funds. And money market fund is basically just a place where you park your money. It doesn't generate any dividends, any interest. The money is just parked in there. But why is this happening? This is the assumption trap that many people fall on. Most 401ks, they will automatically drop your money into a default fund, like a target date fund, which immediately starts investing, right? So this is what people are used to. Money goes into your 401k and by default, it gets dropped into this target fund, which is already an investment. Perfect. However, there is no default investment like in 401k plans. Money in IRAs require active engagement to get invested. So people assume that the IRA will behave like the 401k when it doesn't. So the survey that they ran found that close to 50% of investors mistakenly believed their IRA contributions were automatically invested, and 46% didn't even realize their cash was allocated to a money market fund by default. The easy fix in this case is to stop letting your money languish. So if you have an IRA account, what I recommend, log into your IRA account today, check your cash balance or the allocation to your settlement fund or money market fund. If the cash is sitting in there, you need to actively click on buy and choose an investment for that cash. If you find the number of choices overwhelming, you're definitely not alone. 1 in 4 investors also felt that way. The median preference was only 10 options. So if you're confused, my recommendation is simplify. You don't need a complex portfolio. Start with a low-cost, diversified index fund or a target date fund. Just make sure you do hit that buy button and your money is not sitting on the money market account. All right, so if you listened to this video and went and checked your IRA account, if you found that you had money sitting in your settlement fund, please come back and let me know. Would love to hear from people who went through this trap in the comments.